History, Unit 5, Social and Religious Reform Movement in the 19th century. The continuation of this lesson. Today, Deoband movement. Deoband movement was an organization by Orthodox Muslim ulema. The Deoband movement having the twin objectives. One is pure teachings of Quran and Hadith. The Deoband movement encouraging the jihad against the foreign elements. Jihad means struggle against the foreign elements. The ulema leaders were known as Muhammad Qasim Banatawi and Rashid Ahmad Gangotri. Listen here, students. Muhammad Qasim Banatawi and Rashid Ahmad Gangotri. These two leaders found school at Deoband, Sharanpur district in Uttar Pradesh in 1866. In 1866, Muhammad Qasim Banatawi and Rashid Ahmad Gangotri found a school. Deoband school was started at Sharanpur district in Uttar Pradesh in 1866. Noted. Deoband school. The school was started by the leaders, famous leaders, Muhammad Qasim Banatawi and Rashid Ahmad Gangotri. The school was imparted the education, Muslim education to the people. Particularly, the Deoband school shut out the English education. English education were omitted by the Deoband school initially, and also Western culture also hated by the people. Initially, the Deoband school imparted for the, not for the government jobs, not prepared for the government jobs. Their main aim was to preaching of Islam. To preaching of Islam was the main aim of the Deoband school. Then the people are not liked the government jobs during that time. They wanted to spread the Islam movement. This school imparted the Indian National Congress. Indian National Congress. Many people were participated in the Indian National Congress during that time. In 1888, ulema issued a religious decree. The religious decree means law. The law were passed. Ulema issued the law, religious law, against the Sayyid Ahmad Khan. Religious decree were issued by the ulema against the Sir Syed Ahmad Khan during that time in 1888. The organization were called the United Patriotic Association and Mohammedan Anglo-Oriented Association. Mohammedan Anglo-Oriented Association and the United Patriotic Association. The organization were called. Maulana Muhammad Hul Hasan. The Maulana Muhammad Hul Hasan was a Deoband leader, was the leader of Deoband. The Jamaat Al-Ulema, led by him, Jamaat Al-Ulema. It was one of the highest organization of the Muslim. One of the organization of the Muslim. Jamaat Al-Ulema. This organization led by Maulana Muhammad Al-Hasan. The Jamaat Al-Ulema accepted the Hasan's ideas. The Hasan ideas followed by Jamaat Al-Ulema. The Deoband leader Maulana Muhammad Al-Hasan wanted the protection of religious and political rights of the Muslim. The main aim was what you know? Protection of religious and political rights of Muslims. Note it, students. Next one, Parsi Reform Movement. The Parsi Reform Movement was established in 19th century in Mumbai. The leader of the Parsi movement was Fardunji and Nauroji. Fardunji and Nauroji were the leader of the Parsi Reform movement. They founded, Fardunji and Nauroji founded Renumai Mazdayasanam Sabha in 1851. Renumai Mazdayasanam Sabha in 1851. The leaders of the Fardunji and Nauroji declared the many newspapers. They distributed the many newspapers that circulated during that time. One of the newspaper was Rastgaftan, was the main voice. Rastgaftan is one of the newspaper. In this newspaper, they declared the Parsi Reform Movement. The Parsi Reform Movement during that time, the people of Parsis not encourage the betrothals, marriages and funerals. At that time, the Parsi peoples were celebrated luxuriously in these betrothals, marriages and funerals. But the people were not accepted this one. The celebration was celebration of betrothals, marriages and funerals were highly celebrated, was restricted. They opposed child marriage and astrology. The Parsi movement, Parsi people, they opposed child marriage and astrology. Bairamji Malabari against the child marriage. They were the people, one of the sect of the people. Bairamji Malabari was against the child marriage during that time. The leaders, Feroz Shah Mehta and Dinsha Wacha, Feroz Shah Mehta and Dinsha Wacha, big role in the Congress, played a very good role in the Congress during that time. Noted. Sikh Reform Movement. After the Parsi Reform Movement, Sikh people, they wanted to reform in our country. The Sikh people were divided into two. One of the Sikh people were known as Nirankaris. Another, the Sikh people were known as Namdaris. The Nirankaris leader was Baba Dayal Das. Nirankaris leader was Baba Dayal Das. He insisted the people of the Sikh, all the people want to worship Nirankar as a god. Nirankar as a god. Nirankar as a god. The Nirankaris opposed the idol worship. Idol worship were they opposed during that time. Nirankaris opposed the idol worship and prohibit meat eating and liquor consumption. Meat eating was prohibited and liquor consumption also prohibited during that time. Noted. Namdari movement. Namdari movement, the leader was Baba Ram Singh. Nirankari's leader was Baba Dayal Das. Namdari's leader was Baba Ram Singh. Baba Ram Singh wanted to establish social and religious reform movement. They wanted to socially and religiously they want to set right, reform in the Sikh reform movement. The Baba Ram Singh wearing the symbol of the Sikhs. Sikh people want to wear, each and everyone want to wear the symbol of Sikhs. Sikh symbol is that. That symbol want to wear all the people. Except Kirpan. Kirpan means sword. Kirpan means sword. Sword. They wanted to wearing the symbol of Sikhs. Except Kirpan. Kirpan means sword. Instead of Baba Ram Singh followers to carry Lati instead of Kirpan, except Kirpan, they wanted to avoid. Instead of the Baba Ram Singh followers to carry Lati. The Baba Ram Singh advocated widow remarriage and opposed child marriage. And also dowry system also. Opposed child marriage and dowry system were opposed by Baba Ram Singh and encouraged the widow remarriage. At the time, Arya Samaj insisted the Singh Sabha of Amritsar. In this Singh Sabha, insisted the purity of the Sikh people. Purity of the Sikh people were insisted by the Singh Sabha. And Singh Sabha established the Khalsa College at Amritsar. Amritsar. Khalsa College were established in Amritsar. Noted. Now, I am going to recall now, students, listen here carefully. Deoband movement. Deoband movement was one of the organization by Orthodox Muslim ulema. The Deoband movement having the two twin objectives. One is the pure teaching of Quran and Hadith. Deoband movement encouraging the jihad against the foreign element. Encouraging the jihad against the struggle against the foreign elements. Noted. Ulema leaders Muhammad Qasim Manatabi and Roshid Ahmad Gangotri found a school at Deoband at Sharanpur district in Uttar Pradesh in 1866. Noted. Deoband school. Deoband school shut out the English education and instead of not only the English education but and also Western culture, shut out the English education and Western culture. Instead of they accepted the preaching of Islam. They were not prepared for the government jobs. Noting. This school imparted the Indian National Congress. Indian National Congress. In 1888 to 88, ulema issued the religious decree. The law were passed against the Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. The organization called the United Patriotic Association and Mohammedan Anglo-Oriented Association. Noted. Maulana Muhammad Al-Hasan. He was one of the Deoband leader. The Jamaat Al-Ulema led by him. It was one of the highest organization of the Muslims. Hasan's ideas were followed by the people, all the people, Muslim people. The Maulana Muhammad Al-Hasan Protection of religious and political rights of Muslims were insisted by him. Noting Parsi reform movement. In the 19th century, Parsi reform movement were established in Mumbai. Faduji Nauroji was the leader of the Parsi movement, and they founded Renumai Mazdayasanan Sabha in 1851. They published the newspaper known as Rashtragaftar, was the main voice. They not encouraged the betrothals, marriages and funerals. They celebrated luxuriously during that time. That was not accepted by the people of Parsi. Luxurious celebrations were avoided by the Parsi people. The leaders Perosha Mehta and Dinsa Vasha big role in the Congress. Sikh reform movement. The Sikh were divided into two. One people were known as the Nirankaris, another people were known as Namdaris. Nirankaris leader was the Baba Dayal Das. He insisted the worship of Nirankar as a god. He opposed the idol worship and prohibit the meat eating and liquor consumption. Namdari movement. The leader of the Namdari movement was Baba Ram Singh. He insisted established the social and religious reform movement in Sikh people. He insisted the wearing of a symbol of Sikhs except Kripan. Kripan means sword. Instead of Baba Ram Singh followers carry Lati. He advocated widow remarriage and opposed child marriage and dowry system. During the time, Arya Samaj was established the Singh Sabha. The Singh Sabha was in Amritsar. The Singh Sabha established the purity of the Sikhs were established during that time. And Singh Sabha established Khalsa College at Amritsar was established during that time. Noted. Okay then, see you tomorrow.